Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick but in-depth tutorial of the cat-cow posture. This is found in both yoga and in exercise in general. You're going to do this in a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Form an L with your fingers so that your index fingers face forward and your thumbs face in. Lightly turn your biceps forward to open your chest and squeeze your knees and your thighs toward one another. That's going to help with core engagement. Cat-cow is actually a blend of two postures, cat and cow. When you inhale, you arch your back, and as you exhale, you round your spine. So you're moving from this inhale and arch position to an exhale and a round position as you move through this posture. As you inhale, again, arching your back, you want to lengthen the back of your spine as much as possible. So you're lengthening from your lower back all the way up through the top of your head. And again, as you inhale, you're opening up the chest and starting to engage the muscles in your back, but making sure that you're not pinching in the back, but keeping length. As you exhale, you round your spine. So we're pulling the belly button up, pulling the sternum toward the back, rounding your spine, pushing down through your hands, and tucking your chin in toward your throat. And then you repeat the process. So we usually do this 5 or 6 times, and this is something that you can do before a workout. Maybe it's part of a yoga workout, or maybe it's just something to relieve stiffness in your spine. And that's cat-cow. So if you're looking for more information on cat-cow, make sure to head to my website at manflowyoga.com. The link will be in the description below, and this will give you things like the benefits of cat-cow. We also talk about some common FAQs, modifications if you can't do the version I just showed you, and also what you should and should not be feeling while doing cat-cow. All of the information I just gave you was taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. It was a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured by Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also on the Men's Health website. It's available online and in stores all over the world. Click below at the bottom of this page to learn more. And don't forget to check out the rest of the videos and the information on this page. You want to learn about the benefits, what you should and should not be feeling, get some of your common FAQs answered, and also common mistakes to avoid. That's all here on this page. We also have training programs, a members area, and lots of other resources here on this website to help you get results, get stronger, and feel better with yoga. So don't forget about that. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're enjoying the information, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.